Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to change the page color of your Microsoft Word document. This is a very simple feature that I believe a lot of people have finding it quite difficult to do. In this tutorial you're going to learn how to do it. So to get to Word, all you need to do is to come to the start menu here and click on Word. So you search for Microsoft Word, you can see it over here. And you can check for anything, any sample page. Okay, so let's look through the template. Okay, so assuming we check on, let's say it's a very simple manual report that we want to just change the page, the page color. Okay, so all you need to do is and you can come all the way to design over here, and you can come all the way, move all the way down to page color. You can see it over here, and you can click to have an understanding of what kind of color you want. Okay, you can make it to this black, or you can make it this color, and you can change it to any of this color as well. And you can come over here, you can change it. So this is how to change it. So let's say we are taking on this, and you can see all the pages take on yellow color, and I think it kind of looks cool. So if you want to change it to another color, you are free to come over here and you can change it directly. Or you want to put more no color at all, you want to bring it back to the default color, which is white, you can also come here and change it. Or if you want more colors, you can check from here and you can put custom colors. You can customize to your liking. Okay, you can put custom colors, you can put the details over here. Or if you have the hex color, the hex code, you can put it over here also, so to depict the exact color from here. So once you're done, you click on OK, and you can check in the list. You can see the ones you've just added. You can enable it accordingly. Then there are other fill effects that you can see once you click on this. So you can make it to look one color, or you can make it gradient color. This is one color. You can make it two colors. For example, you select the second color if you want to put in something like this, and it's going to look like this, somehow gradient. So you're free to maybe take this, and you can see it has changed accordingly. All right, so you can also make it preset. Okay, you come to fill effects, and you can also set it to preset colors. There are some available ones that you can check. Maybe this is the preset ones. So you're free to check on the variants. Okay, this is horizontal. You can make it vertical, and you can make it diagonal as well, and you can make it diagonal down as well, or from corner and all that. So once you click on OK, it's going to kind of look different. So you're free to try all these, try on your own. Just put in Microsoft Word and try to change the background and see the effect it gets. If you're satisfied with it, then that should be your color. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the simplest way to change the page color and even put in grading colors and many more colors. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.